Welcome students to another session of chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. In the last lecture we studied how to form equations with the conditions given to us. So now you are ready to solve problem sums. So let us start with the problem sums. Example 11. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9 is to 7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4 is to 3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly incomes. You know that income minus expenditures will give you the savings, right? So first of all, let us suppose that incomes of two persons be 9x and 7x and their expenditures be 4y and 3y respectively. So for the first person, our equation will be 9x, that is his income, minus 4y, that is his expenditure, is equal to 2000, that is the savings managed by him. Same way, for second person, the equation will be 7x, that is income, minus 3y, that is expenditure, is equal to 2000, that is the savings. So our equations are there. Now we have to solve it. We can use any method for solving these equations. So let us solve these equations by elimination method. Here you can see that y coordinate of first equation is 4 and second equation is 3. So for equating value of y, we will multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. On multiplying, we will get first equation will become 7x minus 12y is equal to 6000 and second equation will become 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Now we will subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So we will get 28x minus 27x minus 12y minus 12y is equal to 8000 minus 6000. That is x is equal to 2000. Now substituting value of x in equation number 1 will get 9 into 2000 minus 4y is equal to 2000. And on solving we will get y is equal to 4000. So students, now we got the value of x and y. But we are asked to find the monthly income of both persons. So for the first person, the monthly income is 9x, that is equal to 9 into 2000, that is equal to 18,000. And for second person, the monthly income is 7x, that is 7 into 2000, which is equal to 14,000, which are the monthly incomes of both respectively. Next is example 13. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? So students, here the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing a digit is 66 and the digits are differing by 2. We have to find the number. First of all, you know that a two-digit number is represented by 10x plus y, where x is the digit at tens place and y is the digit at unit place. So let tens and the units digit of a first number be x and y. Now here the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. So we have to obtain the number by reversing the digits, which means that the digit at unit place will become the digit at tens place and the digit at tens place will become the digit at units place. So the number obtained by reversing the digit will be 10y plus x. So our original number is 10x plus y, number obtained by reversing the digit is 10y plus x, and it is given that their sum is 66. So we get 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 66. That is 11x plus 11y is equal to 66, which means that 11 into x plus y is equal to 66. So x plus y is equal to 6, which is our equation number 1. Now the second condition given to us is the digits differ by 2. So there can be two cases. Either x minus y is equal to 2 or y minus x is equal to 2. Because here they have not mentioned that which digit is greater, the tens digit is greater or unit digit is greater. So we'll take both the conditions. Now let us solve the equations and obtain the values of x and y. Our equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 6 and equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 2 or y minus x is equal to 2. Let us consider the first case first, that is x minus y is equal to 2. Now we will use elimination method for solving. So add first equation and second equation, that is x plus y is equal to 6 plus x minus y is equal to 2. So we will get 2x is equal to 8, that is x is equal to 4, and substituting this value of x is equal to 4 in equation 1, we will get 4 plus y is equal to 6, which means that y is equal to 2. So our x is 4 and y is 2. So in this case, the number will be 42, which is obtained by substituting value of x and y in original number, that is 10x plus y. Now let us take y minus x is equal to 2 and obtain the values of x and y. Again add equation 1 and 2, that is x plus y is equal to 6 and y minus x is equal to 2. On adding, we will get 2y is equal to 8, which means that y is equal to 4. Substituting value of y in equation number 1, we will get x plus 4 is equal to 6, which means that x is equal to 2. So here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. On substituting it, that is the values of x and y in the original number 10x plus y, we'll get the number as 24. So this way two numbers are possible, either the number is 42 or the number is 24. Students, this type of question, that is the question related to two-digit number, is very important. Many times such questions are asked in the examination. So go through this question very thoroughly and practice such questions. Now let us see some of the questions of your exercises. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Now students, you know that sum of measure of two supplementary angles is always 180 degree. You have studied it in 9th class, right? So here we'll suppose that the measure of greater angle is x and the smaller angle is y. So first of all, our first equation will be x plus y is equal to 180 because the angles are supplementary angles. So their sum will be 180. And the second condition given to us is larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18. So our second equation will be x minus y is equal to 18. Now we have to obtain the values of x and y by solving these two equations. Let us solve these equations by substitution method. For this, we'll obtain the value of x from equation number 2. So from equation 2, we will get x is equal to 18 plus y, or you can say y plus 18. Substituting the value of x obtained from equation 2 in equation 1, we'll get y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. So 2y is equal to 162 and y is equal to 81. Now substituting y is equal to 81 in equation number 2, we will get x minus 81 is equal to 18. So x is equal to 99. Thus the measure of given angles are 99 and 81. And if we will add these two, it will become 180. You can check it if you want. Next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with charge for a distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So students, first of all, here you need to understand the question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge along with the charges for a distance covered. So a particular charge is fixed. Along with that, there are the charges which depends upon the distance covered. And here it is given that for 10 kilometer distance covered, the total charge, that is the fixed charge plus the additional charge for 10 kilometer, is 105. And similarly, for 15 kilometer, the total charge is 155. We have to find the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. So let rupees x be the fixed charge and rupees y be the charge covered for distance per kilometer. Now let us form the equations. For the first condition, total charge will be x, that is the fixed charge per 10 into y, because 10 kilometer is the distance covered and y is charge per kilometer. So 10y is equal to 105. So our first equation will be x plus 10y is equal to 105. Similarly, our second equation will be x plus 15y is equal to 155y for 15 kilometer distance covered. Now we have to solve these two equations and we have to obtain the values of x and y. So let us solve it by substitution method. So for substitution method, we'll obtain the value of x from equation number 1. So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Now substituting x is equal to 105 minus 10y in equation number 2, we will get 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. That is 105 plus 5y is equal to 155. Therefore 5y is equal to 50, which means that y is equal to 10. Now substituting y is equal to 10 in x is equal to 105 minus 10y, we get x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10, that is 100. So x is equal to 5, which means that the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now the next thing which is asked to us is we have to find the total charge for traveling 25 kilometer. For this, first of all, let us form an equation for total charge a person has to pay for covering distance d. So it will be fixed charge plus distance traveled into charge per kilometer, right? So here fixed charge is 5 rupees, charge per kilometer is rupees 10 and distance traveled be d. So the equation will be, or you can say total charge will be rupees 5 plus 10d. Now here we have to find the total charge for traveling 25 kilometer distance. So d is 25. So total charge will be rupees 5 plus 10 into 25, that is equal to 5 plus 250, that is equal to rupees 255. Let us see another question. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Find the fraction. Now students, you know that any fraction is represented by numerator upon denominator. So let numerator of the required fraction be x and denominator be y. So our fraction will be x upon y. Now in the first condition it is given that if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, fraction reduces to 1. So let us add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. So you will get x plus 1 upon y minus 1. By doing so, the fraction is becoming 1. So we get x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1. That is x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So we get x minus y is equal to minus 2. Call it as equation number 1. The second condition given to us is the fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. So when we add 1 to denominator, it will become y plus 1. So now x upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, which means that 2x is equal to y plus 1, or you can say 2x minus y is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2 and obtain the values of x and y. We'll solve it by elimination method because in both the equations the coefficient of y is 1. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We will get 2x minus y minus x minus y is equal to 1 minus minus 2. That is 2x minus y minus x plus y is equal to 3. So we will get x is equal to 3. Now substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, we will get 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. That is minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 5, which means that y is equal to 5. So our fraction is x by y, that is equal to 3 by 5. So students, this were some of the questions, or you can say problem sums, With this, we conclude our lecture. In another lecture, we will solve some more problem sums so that you get thorough with this type of sums.